Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will talk about the important opportunity from various companies like the Adani, UPS, IBM and other hiring. So if you are the freshers looking for some important opportunity, then this video is for you. So talking about the first important opportunity, that is from the Adani. They are hiring for the role of executive trainee and the job location will be Karakale, Puducherry. So this will be your roles and responsibility like operational support and execution, process understanding and improvements, and data analysis and reportings, and these all stuff you have to do. So qualifications, you should be having bachelor degree in engineering in mechanical, civil, marine, electrical, instrument, industrial, or MBA PGDM in this degree. So if you are from this background, then you can apply for that. Friends, share this video among your friends who are eligible for this. Moving to next, that is from the UPS. They are hiring for the role of off-campus 2026, hiring freshers for the associate app developer, and job location will be Chennai. So the freshers are eligible for this. These will be your roles and responsibility like the application development, software tools and programming language. And the requirement is you should be having bachelor degree in computer science, software engineering or related fields, and knowledge of BI tools are desirable. So you should be having good communication skills and you should apply for this. Moving to next, so continuously IBM hiring is going on for the role of associate system engineer, and students are getting the reward mail. So if you haven't applied it, especially 2024 and 2025 pass out, must apply for that. Probably this is gonna last phase of this hiring, that is 2024 2025. So if you are from the BE, BTech, CS, IT or the other CS branches like CSCIML with 6 GPA or minimum 60%, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. So they clearly mentioned zero experience means freshers are legal for this, and knowledge of SDLC and other requirements are there. Moving to next, for the BCom, MCom graduates who are 2025-2026 pass outs, and the job location will be Vellacheri, Chennai, and date is 6 June. So if you want, you can just do the walk-in drive. This is for the commerce graduates in Chennai, and you will be having 5-day working, and more than 250 plus open positions are there. So if you want, you can apply for this, and you can just scan this for getting the registrations and all those stuff. So if you are residing near Chennai, you can apply for that. Moving to next, this is a non-technical internship summer program, Digital India, means part of Digital India, and last June to apply 7 June. So if you want, you can apply for this. You can earn the stipend and certification. So especially I suggest for the third year other, you can apply for this. So these are the details they are asking, and accordingly you have to basically fill. Okay, so coming to the next important opportunity, that is for the role of RPA internship, and the job locations will be Baner, Pune. So this is a important opportunity, and the duration will be 3 to 6 months, and the locations and stipend, this is unpaid, but you will be getting the lots of exposure. So especially college graduates can apply. You will be getting the internship certificates and other things. So you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. So this is the form basically you have to fill. You have to upload the resume and for what role you are interested and all those stuff. Moving to second last important opportunity, that is from the Bosch. So they are hiring for the role of test engineer, MBD, MIL, SIL. And if you are interested in testings and are from the electrical, electronics or computer science background, and the minimum requirement is 1 year, so you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. Friends, in my YouTube channel I regularly post lots of important job updates. So tomorrow the Infosys off campus 2026 round 1 will be there, so I will provide all those the updates in my YouTube channel. And lots of hiring is going on like Amazon work from home opportunity, Accenture, Capco and other hiring. So if you want to get these important update, you can subscribe us. And moving to last important opportunity, that is for the role of Salesforce developer. So if you have some exposure to Salesforce developer and have knowledge of Apex, LWC, integration testing, Visual Force, then you can apply for this wonderful opportunity. The company name is American J. In the previous video I have already provided update regarding this company. So they are hiring for various roles like the testing or software developer and other. Now they are hiring the Salesforce developer. So if you have missed previous opportunity, you can apply for this. So कोई भी query है, feel free to ask here. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta or anywhere, and you can ask your query there. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.